Hello everyone, this is Onetuni and once again, welcome to my channel. Today, as part of the Married Immigrants adaptation to Korean culture and Korean way of life, Gangjin County's Multicultural Center has sponsored a field trip with a theme, Healing Through the Power of Nature. So join us in our today's adventure. 응? 맛있어?
너무 맛있는 거 아니지만 먹을만 해요.
먹을만 해요.
너무 맛있는 거 아니면 달라요.
하나 주세요.
나랑 알아. 이름이 이름은 한국어 몰라요. 일본에 있어요. 익었어. 너무 소리 지났어. 달라요. 너무 맛이 나냐?
민트.
양도 좋다. 이거 요리에 넣으면 맛있어.
이거 무슨
뭐야? 저 타는데.
플라스틱 옷 같아. 아니 플라스틱 옷 같아.
재밌는 소감이네.
와, 여기는 5시나 6시나 이거 좋아한대. 더워.
이거 무화과 나는 것 같아요.
네, 무화과 나무하고 그린하우스.
얘는 나무 수국이라고 해요. 나무 수국. 나무는 달라요. 에너벨이라는 품종인데 이 애는 땅의 성격에 상관없이 하얀색 꽃만 펴요. 나무 수국은 다 거의가 하얀색을 펴요. 그래서 얼른 보면 똑같아 보이는데 달라요. 얘는 땅의 성질에 상관없이 흰색 꽃을 펴요.
항상
정원에서 가장 제가 여왕수국이라고 해요.
여왕.
너무 예뻐요.
네.
지금 이게 절반 피었는데 다음 주쯤 되면 2배로 피어요.
오.
2배로 피어요. 이렇게. 우리 머리통만 해줘요. 그래서 어디 있으면 우리나라는 장마철이라는 게 있죠. 우기가 오면 얘들이 비를 맞으면 이 머리를 감당을 못해. 한번 그래서 저는
Nowadays, a lot of people will agree that spending time in nature can make you feel better. People are stressed out or are suffering from sicknesses or illnesses, or for some who have sort of trauma can spend contemplative time in gardens. Some go to the mountains or woods to find some sort of healing or peace of mind. I think a lot of you will agree with me that nature is good for each and every one of us, both for our mental and physical health.
Mga roses, ang dami kailangan.
In our case, we chose to go to the woods with our tour guide giving us all information about the trees, the flowers, and anything we find interesting and attractive to our eyes. Today, we felt young and free.
라벤더 아니야. 리얼 트리. 라벤더는 아까 우리 그 앞에 있었던 노란색 꽃.
Each one of these married immigrants, including me, have some longings to be with our families in our respective home countries. We miss our parents, brothers and sisters, relatives and friends. But because of this coronavirus infection situation, we all experience, all of us are so stressed out, especially if we hear bad news coming from our families back home. But today, we set aside all those worries and be in tune with nature. It's really so beautiful in here. You can feel the coolness and the fresh air. Wow. Ikaw nga dyan. Are you okay?
Hindi.
Mamaya magnanta pa tayo.
Kaya mo.
Ah.
예, 들어요.
여기까지 오셨으니까 오늘 제가 특별한 거 한 가지 부탁드릴게요. 우리 몸은 어디 하나
Now the field trip is over, and as we sit in the comfort of the bus, feeling exhausted but renewed, and as we go to our respective homes, to our respective husbands and kids, we find we have the strength to face the challenges that lies ahead for tomorrow and other days that will come. Truly, nature has given us a new hope that there are yet best things that are in store for each and every one of us. Once again, we come to the conclusion of our video. For those who are new to this channel talks about the adaptation to Korean culture, coping with the Korean way of life, beautiful places to visit in the countryside of Korea, and the way of life of married immigrants here in Korea. So, if you are interested in this kind of topics, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be notified of my next video. I will see you in my next video. This is Onitoni, wishing each and everyone a blissful and productive days ahead. Thank you for watching. Bye! 안녕! 사랑해요!